Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the predictive text feature on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General, tap Keyboard. Under the All Keyboards section, there is an option called Predictive. By disabling this, your phone will no longer give you predictions or suggestions while typing. You can come back here to enable it again later. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.